The Fire Services Act 1951 was an act of the United Kingdom Parliament which extended only to Great Britain. The act amended parts of the Fire Services Act 1947 which dealt with the firemen's pension scheme. It did not directly concern firefighting or the organisation of fire brigades in Great Britain. The act was repealed both in Scotland and in England and Wales by S63 and Schedule 2 of the Fire and Rescue Services Act 2004. See also: text of the Fire Services Act 1951 as enforced today, including any amendments within the United Kingdom, from legislation.gov.uk. Fire Services Act 1947. Fire Services Act 1959. Fire and Rescue Services Act 2004. Fire, Scotland, Act 2005.